guys, welcome back to the channel Sai. In this video, I'm going to do the Android benchmark test in the POCO F3 GT device by using the Realme cooling back clip. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to test the Android benchmark test in this phone using any kind of cooling clip. So I got the Realme cooling clip with me, and I do have the Spinbot cooling clip also. I'll try to do the side-by-side comparison between these both. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you are interested. So let's see friends how well this Realme cooling back clip gonna perform on this POCO F3 GT. Can it actually decrease any kind of temperatures or not? So first let me try to show you what is the temperatures usually the POCO F3 GT will increase. So one thing is that the Antutu benchmark score every time it will be kind of close to 6 lakhs only. So that's one thing you should definitely understand. So right now the temperatures did increase up to 38.2 degrees without using any kind of cooling method. You can clearly see how the temperature increased. So let's see after doing this kind of cooling test using this kind of Realme cooling clip, so whether the temperature can actually get lower than this 38.2 or not. That's what my main idea of demonstrating, and I'll try to place the cooling clip exactly maybe in this location. Let me try to place it. I think this should be kind of perfect. Let me just slightly move upside. Yep. So this is the maximum I can actually reach upside. The main reason I'm trying to select in this kind of position is because this surface is maximum trying to touch to the top of the surface where the most of the CPU and the GPU will be there. Process, that's another thing. But let's see using this kind of method how much the temperatures can actually cool down. And one more thing, when you're trying to keep on the power button, this is not even pressing any kind of power button. Yes, it's not pressing at all. That's a very good design. So you should not be worried. Even if the power button is slightly outside also, it's not a problem. As you can see, even in the outside power buttons also, the POCO F3 GT has got inside power button. That's why I'm trying to mention. So now let me try to connect to the cable. So the cable should be somewhere around here. Let me try to search for the cable. Yes, so we got the cable. So it was lying around. As soon as I started to connect to the power supply for this cooling clip, it will automatically get turned on. So there is no power button at all for this Realme cooling clip. That's another thing you should definitely understand. Let's see how much the benchmark score can the POCO F3 GT can actually achieve using this kind of cooling clip. Can it decrease any kind of temperatures or not? So right now everything is completely clear from the background. There is no Wi-Fi connection, nothing mobile data enabled. So let's check the temperatures what will be there in the beginning. It's of 30.8 degrees. It's perfectly ideal situation to do the testing. Nothing much high temperatures detected. On the back side it's of 29.8 degrees. And in my room there is no AC, there is no cooler in my room. So only normal fan. And now let me try to start doing the Android benchmark test under this condition. So I can be back after some time, just after the Android benchmark test has been finished. Then I can actually check what is happening with the temperatures, whether it's kind of helping or not. So maybe after some time I'll try to come back. So right now, as you can see friends, we're getting close to end of the Android benchmark test results, and the temperatures remain to be lower than the 34 degrees Celsius. Not bad. You can see I can detect only 33 degrees Celsius at the end of the testing. On the back side 31.6 degrees Celsius. Nothing much high temperatures at this moment, but we're going to check after some time how much the temperatures can it be there. So that's what I'm going to exactly see, whether the phone can actually maintain low temperatures using this kind of Realme cooling clip or not. So if this is going to work, then that will be really good advantage for the gamers. So it has got really good stands on both sides, so which will definitely cover the phone. So it will not allow the phone to touch the ground as well. That's the reason I did keep in the reverse manner. And this is the final test for the Android benchmark test after this kind of simulation. So we'll be able to see the scores after 2 simulations. So right now we'll be getting the final benchmark scores on the POCO F3 GT. And let me know in the comment section below friends, in case if you want me to do this kind of testing on other smartphones, I can definitely do that. Right now we got about 6,05,000. So anyway the score did not increase anything, but the temperature seems to be working a lot on this phone. As you can see friends, only 31.8 degrees Celsius. Wow, that's very low. That's very low. As you can see exactly so much. So in the beginning it's 30.6 and the end it is only 31 degrees Celsius. That's fantastic friends. I think this is gonna work on the POCO F3 GT a lot better than other phones. Other phones I did see only little bit kind of difference. I did see other phones reaching up to 33 degrees Celsius and 34 degrees Celsius. I mean other phones damaged to 1200 chipsets only. But this phone was able to keep really very low temperatures. So normally the temperatures will increase up to 35.6 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius as well sometimes. So there are chances that the temperature can definitely increase above 35 and 36 degrees as well. But overall, this was able to prevent really good heating system in this POCO F3 GT in terms of not getting that much kind of heat. Maybe because of the aluminum body which is present on the back side, which attracts, I think, a lot of cool air, and it's kind of spreading inside as well. I think so that might be happening in this case. That's the reason why we did see a lot of difference in this phone. I did not see this kind of huge difference in other phones, but I did see huge difference in this phone. So I need to use another one which is a spin-bot cooler as well. Using this one, how much temperatures can be decreased. I'll try to do that video as soon as possible. So let me need to open this clip, and I'll try to check what is the temperatures underneath one. Underneath it's 26 only. Side 30, 26. So there are 4 to 5 different temperatures differences there, and on this one cooling clip 22 we are trying to see. Not bad. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries on this one, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.